much for this opportunity. I just want to quickly share a little about myself. So I'm 2017 mechanical batch, Siddharth. So since college got over, I've mostly been involved in the social sector and the development space. It was mostly during conversations I had with my friends and seniors during SRM. I was part of Arosh, Milan, and even the basketball team back then. Conversations made me realize that, okay, there are a lot of things beyond the regular day-to-day life that we normally have. And that journey led me to work in the Northeast, where I spent almost a year traveling across the 7 sister states, understanding the issues over there. Post that, I worked with the tribal communities in this place called Gudalur, where we set up a lot of various livelihood initiatives. We also have a school and a hospital over there. Again, it's been a gradual journey. Beyond that, I worked in Bihar. I've traveled across the state, worked with close to 733 farmers over there, and also various Dalit communities to understand the challenges. But this journey over the last couple of years has led me to understand that my passion is towards livelihoods and local governance. So right now I'm part of this organization called Tanachi, where we primarily work with the panchayats in Tamil Nadu. How do we develop them? How do we bring in a lot of progress within the panchayat, where most of the people still in our country reside in? But beyond that, our main focus is how do we mobilize the people, how do we engage with them and ensure that they go and ask for their rights. They go and demand whatever schemes are available rather than wait for the government to come and give them something. But yeah, coming back to the point, all this was possible primarily because of the kind of exposure I got while I was in SRM. Even today, wherever I go, right, most of the friends that I was involved with, like any of these organizing committees, we get to have various conversations. They also try getting involved in what we are trying to do. But yeah, thanks so much for this opportunity to come and share my thoughts over here. Thank you.